Hey guys, welcome back to the CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. I'm Morgan, and today I'm going to be going over the best intakes for the S650 Mustang. So on the table I have the Steeda air filter drop-in kit, the Steeda ProFlow air intake kit, the JLT air intake kit, the Roush air intake kit, and the K&N air intake kit. So first up on the table we have the Steeda drop-in air filter kit. Now this one is the most affordable and easiest to install because it just drops into your stock air intake system. These filters are washable and reusable, and they gain up to 3 horsepower and 2 foot-pounds of torque. Or if you want to gain more performance, Steeda also offers the ProFlow system. This air intake kit has over 25% larger velocity intake tubes compared to other competitors, and the mass airflow meter is over 6% larger than competitors. One cool thing about this kit is it's a dual configuration, so you can have closed for OEM-like stealth or open for showy performance. Next up on our list is the JLT Performance Cold Air Intake. This one is constructed from high-grade cross-linked polyethylene. It has increased airflow for more power potential, and it's got the nice JLT logo embossed on the air intake. This JLT kit is made in the USA, and there's no tune required to run on your Mustang. Next on the line, we have the Roush Cold Air Intake Kit. This kit adds up to 30% more airflow than stock. This kit is super easy to install and requires no recalibration or tuning. This is the perfect kit to pair with your Roush supercharger. Last but not least, we have the K&N rotomolded high-flow air intake system. As you know, K&N is known for their washable and reusable filters that can go up to 100,000 miles. This kit also requires no additional tuning or calibration, so it can go right in. If any of these kits interest you, then stay tuned because we're going to be doing a step-by-step installation on all of these. Thanks for watching this breakdown, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you'd be picking out for your Mustang. And while I have you, don't forget to go to cjponyparts.com/giveaways to enter one of our many giveaways we always have going. I'm super excited to show you guys what we have coming up, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time.